Let's go ahead and activate remote start. Press and hold that button for 3 seconds. First confirmation there is just that the vehicle received the signal. It's going to go ahead and start. Let's watch the vehicle start up here. Just takes a few seconds to start up. Once it does, it's going to go ahead and confirm right back on the remote control. Hey, Jeff at Sweet Sounds here, back again, this time with another remote start, and this time in a BMW X5. Sharp looking cars. Of course, the experts here at Sweet Sounds have been doing remote starts in BMWs for many years. We are one of the few shops that have been doing these for, well, pretty much since we opened up almost 30 years ago. So in this particular vehicle, this BMW X5, we prefer to use the EuroStart system. This particular model uses the BRS4, and the EuroStarts, really simply put, are the most elegant and sophisticated and most reliable systems available for these particular cars. The documentation is amazing on these, and the features are excellent. So on this particular vehicle, we have it set up for both triple lock start using the factory remote control. That makes it really convenient. You only want to carry one key fob around. But of course, the range on that is going to be very limited to just basically the availability of the factory range. It also has the Compustar Pro R3-SS remote control. That's a 2-mile max range RF remote control with lock-unlock and remote start. Actually, our best-selling unit over many years. Super reliable, super easy to use, very small, doesn't take up a lot of room in the pocket. And in addition, for the ultimate control, it also has the DroneMobile smartphone app capability on this one. And of course, the DroneMobile has a lot more than just lock, unlock, and remote start. It also gives the ability to do tracking on there also. So if you have the premium package, you can keep track of where your vehicle is. You can do speed alerts, you can do geo-fencing, and a host of other very cool features on that. As I mentioned, the documentation that's included with these EuroStarts is really fantastic. There's a lot of optional features that are available on this. So we go ahead and print these documents for the client so that they can go ahead and check that out and then set it up for whatever their particular desires are. So I'm not going to go through using all the different units on here, but let's just go ahead and test this out using the Compustar R3 remote control. Of course, that is a two-way remote control. It will confirm lock, unlock, and remote start. So in order to have these units start the vehicle, it's important that the vehicle is locked first off. So I just went ahead and locked the vehicle there. Let's go ahead and activate remote start. Press and hold that button for 3 seconds. First confirmation there is just that the vehicle received the signal. It's going to go ahead and start. Let's watch the vehicle start up here. Just takes a few seconds to start up. Once it does, it's going to go ahead and confirm right back on the remote control that the vehicle has successfully remote started. Once again, that's a BMW X5 remote start from the experts here at Sweet Sounds. If you are looking at getting a remote start done or just about anything else for your vehicle, give the experts here at Sweet Sounds a call. 507-345-8863. As I mentioned during the video here, this just kind of gives you an idea of the disassembly required in some of these vehicles in order to install a remote start on it here. Considerable parts of the dashboard, the underdash. Here you just get an idea of how many different screws and fasteners. Some pieces we leave connected, some we disassemble. And if you want to get an idea of the parts, when we're working on cars here at Sweet Sounds, we take the time to make sure everything is well protected so that they're not just laying around on the floor, getting kicked around and things like that. We've set them on shelves or other places where they're going to be safe. So just gives you an idea of how we do our work here at Sweet Sounds.